What's up, my Power Up friends? Welcome back to Power Up with Kaynee. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a healthy keto fried chicken that is finger licking good. As I was growing up, I associated fried chicken with something that was extremely unhealthy, and that is only if you use seed oils. But today we are going to be using butter and avocado oil, and I'm going to show you the secret that I use to seasoning the chicken that makes it delicious. This right here is what you're going to need. You're going to need 2 large lemons. These are very large. These actually equal about 4 lemons. My mother-in-law always told me, Kaynee, if you want chicken to taste good, put lots of lemon in it. So that's what I'm doing. And she is absolutely right. It tastes delicious with a lot of lemon. And then the other ingredients that I'm using is 100% pure avocado oil with a stick of butter. That's what we're going to fry the chicken in. And then I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of cumin, ground cumin, and I'm also using Himalayan pink salt. The chicken that I have to fry today is 4 drumsticks, and there's 3 chicken thighs. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my lemons, and I'm going to squeeze all of this juice in here. I've squeezed both my lemons in here, and you can see there's an ample amount of lemon juice in here. And again, that is the secret ingredient to make your fried chicken taste amazing. I don't know what it is. It's just lemon makes chicken glorious. I'm going to add the rest of the condiments now. So I'm adding Himalayan salt, and of course you're going to do this to taste. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of ground cumin. It just gives it an amazing flavor. And then I'm also adding onion powder. And I'm adding some organic garlic powder as well. And that is it. And now I'm just going to mix everything around in the bowl just to make sure that all of the flavors absorb really well. To fry my chicken, I am using this Lodge Dutch oven. You can use any pot. It doesn't have to be a Dutch oven. The reason why I like using it is because it fries the chicken so evenly. Usually when you're frying chicken, you have to be conscientious of when it's time to turn it. With this one, yes, I'm turning it anyway, but you don't have to be as conscientious of when to flip it because it all fries very evenly. It's like an oven on your stove. The lid is very heavy, and of course the whole pot is very heavy. But again, this is not necessary as long as you're very aware of how much the chicken has fried on the bottom so that then you flip it in a timely manner. So I'm going to go ahead and put my stick of butter inside my Dutch oven, and then I'm also going to add this 100% pure avocado oil. The goal is for the mixture of your butter and your avocado oil to cover the chicken. You'll know your oil is ready when it starts crackling and popping. All in all, when you place your chicken inside, you want it to sizzle. If it's not sizzling, then your oil is not ready. After all of my chicken pieces are in there, I'm going to cover the pot and I'm going to let it cook there for about 8 minutes. Notice my heat here is on medium to high heat. The chicken has been frying for about 8 minutes on one side, so I'm going to flip it. And now I'm putting the lid back on and I'm going to let it cook for an additional 8 minutes and then it'll be ready. It is not just delicious, but it looks amazing. This is great for serving to your family or maybe special guests that might be coming over to your house. My fried chicken is ready now. I'm going to go ahead and remove the lid, and I'm going to place all of my chicken pieces onto this plate. So delicious. I am telling you, finger licking good. You have never had fried chicken like this. So delicious. This is what we call guilt-free pleasure. All right, my Power Up friends, that's it for this video. For more recipes like this one that are low carb, extremely delicious, incredibly easy to make, and super healthy for you, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos when I upload them. Also, share this video and my channel with friends and family who you know have embarked on a healthy eating journey. Check out my merch store down below and support my channel by purchasing any of the items there that you may like. Bye until next time.